Sir, when Mahatma Gandhi said, India lives in her villages.
You have 3 minutes.
No, sir. It was not a figurative expression. I have 6 minutes, sir. Sir, it literally meant that soul of the nation is in our rural landscape. Precisely because Gandhiji said, India lives in her villages, you chopped off Gandhiji from Manrega. किरण रिजिजू साहब, हमने जितना बार प्लीड किया था, you at least send your so-called G. Ramji bill to a select committee. Let us apply your might, because it will have huge bearing impact on the rural population of this country. The we hours, you bulldozed this bill through this house, and you made this Mamaji, who is from the ground level, the victim of it. Now he has to bear the brunt for it. A chief minister who understood the grassroots, he is throwing all the flag from the nation, from this house. Now everybody speaks about how you butchered Manrega and brought in G. Ramji. Sir, Kiran Rijiju, you are also a culprit. I will say that. And you know what he has done?
Please. This is not one-to-one.
Sir, you are interrupting me. He was trying to intervene. That's why. Sir, you should be a little patient, sir. You need to facilitate a member. Sir, what is the implication of this new G. Ramji? Nobody knows what is the full form of this bill. Sir, there is a pattern in
Whatever
bringing...
is unparliamentary will be
There
taken
is a
out of the
pattern
procedure.
in bringing all these two bills, sir. We from the South India don't understand what is the meaning of this bill, sir. Sir, and Ram will never be a party for the second assassination of Mahatma Gandhi. Please understand that.